Assalamualaikum and good afternoon everyone. My name is Ahmad Faiz Najmee bin Maturidi and my metric number is 074851. Today I will present a research proposal titled Exploring Injuries Reports Cases Among Public University in Malaysia in Selected Sports Media. The focus of this study is to analyze how sports injuries among university athletes are reported in Malaysian media, particularly in sports like badminton. This research aims to uncover trends, biases, and gaps in reporting and provide insight into injury prevention and recovery strategies. For research problems, injuries are a significant issue in university sports, ranging from minor sprains to severe conditions like ligament tears. However, in Malaysia, media coverage often prioritizes high-profile athletes over public university sports. This leads to a lack of awareness and underrepresentation of injury issues in public university. My study addresses the gap, questioning how media frames injury and the implication for public perception and institutional accountability. For research questions, the study aims to answer three critical questions, which is first, what are the most commonly reported types of injuries in sports media, especially badminton? Second, how does media coverage differ across platforms and sports? Third, what are the typical causes of severe injuries and how are recovery processes depicted? For methodology, I adopt a mixed method approach such as qualitative method and quantitative method. For qualitative method, I using content analysis to examine how injuries are framed in selected newspapers, including Berita Harian, Astro Awani, and Harian Metro. And for quantitative methods, I collecting statistical data to assess injuries types, frequency, and recovery portrayals. For method data collection, the researchers are selected 3 national newspapers with high readership in Malaysia for sampling purposes. 3 well-known newspapers in Malaysia, namely Berita Harian or BH, Astro Awani and Harian Metro, were selected because all 3 newspapers have high readership in Malaysia. The researcher will conduct an internet-based search to find newspaper articles on injury cases from digital media made by the 3 newspapers. The purpose of this research is to find news articles related to injury cases in the selected newspaper. Articles will be generated using and focusing on sports injury cases and in Malaysia as search keywords. If there are any that focus on these keywords, they will be included in this study after the researcher analyzes and reviews the content of each article from the selected news media. The researcher only selected straight news and headlines to be analyzed and included in this study. For method of data analysis, the analysis will involve 2 analyses, which is descriptive statistic and content analysis. First, descriptive statistic. Descriptive statistic is to identify central tendencies and variances in the data, revealing trends such as injury prevalence, especially in badminton. Second is content analysis. Content analysis is to interpret the framing of injury narrative, particularly the balance between preventive measures and recovery processes. Lastly, in conclusion, this study seeks to enhance understanding of sports injury reporting in Malaysia. By identifying gaps and biases, researchers aim to inform better media practices and support injury prevention initiatives. This research holds significance for athletes, coaches, and policymakers committed to fostering safer sports environment in public university.